Here's a closer look on how I made a shield for my Athena cosplay. It comes apart into 3 pieces for easy transport. I made a pattern based on the game reference. I cut out 3 pieces for the base, 1 out of 5mm thick foam and 2 out of 10mm thick foam. From now on, I wear a respirator. I used contact adhesive to glue the sheets together. I use parchment paper to make this part easier so I can glue it in sections. You can see that the center of the 5mm thick sheet has 2 holes in it. That's the space for flattened PVC pipes. Once it's all glued, I cut it in half. I took the flattened PVC pipes and inserted them into the holes in 5mm foam. That's what keeps the whole shield together. I checked if it works before I started working on the details. I used strips of 2mm thick EVA foam to hide the edges of the shield. They were too rough after sanding. Then I cut out feathers and all the other details from 2mm thick EVA foam. I glued them on with hot glue and then cleaned up all of the strings afterwards. Then I primed everything with flexible primer. I sculpted Medusa's head from foam clay and used wire as a base for the snakes so they don't break easily. It takes about 48 hours for foam clay to fully dry before it's ready to be painted. I attached it to the base of the shield with 2 magnets. I used flexible gold paint and applied it with a makeup sponge without using any water. And finally, I highlighted the edges with white acrylic paint. And it's finished. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.